Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme C3. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, then confirm, continue and finally allow. You want to go with receive on this Realme and send on an Android. Then you need to tap on all of these dots and click send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only select this one song. Choose send and tap on got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can either input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on Realme over here, select allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App My Files or Files, it should be over here somewhere. File Manager, choose OK, then Allow and tap on, in my case, Audio. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!